Hello guys, as you know, from 2017 we specialize in sauna products, in tent products, and we're always improving our quality of our stoves, of our tents, and we always experimenting, adding some new stuff, and we are always in trend. So here I am with all our intent stoves, and this is Intent 1, the most selling sauna stove in the world right now. And as you know, even in Japan, it pop up in top outdoor products tier list, and you know how people in Japan treat to quality. And we are not stopping, we always improving, and we came up with Intent 2.0, the premium Intent stove, which has much more thicker steel, new legs, new door, and you can even remove the ash pad. For more than 7 years, we always improve quality of our products. We're trying different metals, trying different additions to our products, like even stoves, and we try to make a product for you guys which you can use many years and be satisfied with. And we came up with folding convectors. And why it is really cool feature? Because first of all, airflow. The cold air from the tent comes to the top, and it hits tent much more faster. Also, it protects you from infrared radiation. When the stove is heated, it's red, and convectors will protect you from that. Also, you can put stones on top of the stove without any stone holder, and stones won't fall down. One more part is when you fold the convectors, it saves you up 40% space in your trunk, or when transport company delivers this beautiful stove to your house. And folding convectors also make stove much more solid. It won't bend, because when it's folded there is no space between convectors and the walls and the wall of the stove. So we try to make product which will serve you many years, and you will be satisfied. We're using the most advanced technologies when producing our stoves, such as laser cutting and laser welding. Laser cutting creates really cool forms, so all the edges are not sharp and not rough, so you won't cut yourself. All the stoves are created with 3D model when the laser will cut it, different lists. So our stoves are really beautiful. Also, laser welding. Laser welding is used in every modern automobile manufacturers, so all the stitches, they're welded through, no holes, so smoke from inside the stove will not come out, and it will be no problem, so no water will get inside. It's really cool, and it's really modern. So we are trying to make our stoves really solid, so they will serve you many years. And look how beautiful, how cool they are.